back to 13 News Now at noon. This weekend and next weekend, the American Heart Association inviting Hampton Roads to participate in Heart Walks. The events raise awareness on the importance of your heart's health. And here to tell us more about it, we have Scott Kern and Dr. Dina Krishnan, both of the American Heart Association Hampton Roads. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
You know, I feel like a lot of people have participated in Heart Walks over the years. We've talked about it a lot here at 13 News Now, but we might have someone who's not familiar with what the Heart Walk is. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Absolutely. So the Heart Walk is the primary fundraiser for the American Heart Association, and it helps to raise money and awareness to support the two primary causes of death in America, which is heart disease and stroke.
Absolutely. I know a lot of people, that's been a concern, especially through the pandemic. You know, I know those numbers have kind of risen, unfortunately. What can people do, even prior to the Heart Walks, to try and prevent cardiovascular disease?
I think we can just model good behavior for our parents, for our children. So getting active, eating more fruits and vegetables, knowing our numbers, taking care of ourselves. And that's what I try to do, and it's what we are trying to promote, especially with the Heart Walk. Bring the whole family and come and just be active. There's not a person you can meet that has not been affected by heart disease in some way or another. We all have a family member, if not ourselves, who's been affected. And so we come out for our grandparents, for each other, to support one another and bring awareness.
Yeah, that's one of the special things about the Heart Walks is people come out in honor of family members and friends. Scott, tell us a little bit more about specifically what kind of activities people can participate in when they get there.
Absolutely. So as people arrive at the locations, there are a lot of different tents set up. There are activities for people to learn about heart healthy behaviors, to learn about exercise and different foods. There are activities for pets, for children. And then there are introductory things to get you warmed up. And then, of course, there's the actual walk itself. And there's a 1 mile option and a 3 mile option at both of the events.
Okay, so it's a busy time there. And Dr. Krishnan, you know, you think about heart disease and stroke, and typically you might think, you know, adults, but quite frankly, this is an event for kids as well.
Absolutely, yep. I'll be bringing my children there. You just can't start early enough teaching people how to live a healthy lifestyle. And so, yeah, it'll be a lot of fun for children, for everyone. There'll be speakers, just a lot of fun things to just get moving and be active.
Yeah, you really do have a lot of activity out there, and it is a lot of fun, but you also learn a lot as well. So that's really valuable. We do want to remind you again that the first Heart Walk is going to be this Saturday at Buckrow Beach in Hampton, and then the second one will be at Chesapeake City Park. That's going to be next weekend. So an opportunity on the peninsula and then another on the south side. So Scott, tell us how folks can learn more information. Maybe they missed something here and they want to register or something like that. Where can they go to get involved?
Absolutely. There's a website, which is www.hamptonroadsheartwalk.org. That has all of the information there where you can register for the actual events themselves or just to learn more about how to be heart healthy.
Fantastic. Scott, Dr. Krishnan, thank you so much for being here. Make sure you check out the Heart Walks put on by the American Heart Association Hampton Roads. A wonderful time, educational, and you can learn a lot that can help yourself as well. We'll be right back.